Here we have been working problems on regression equations by using actual mean and assumed mean or assumed value methods. Now take first problem. Here we have to find the regression equation from this given data, and we have to estimate the yield for 10 inches rainfall. So rainfall in inches and as well as yield in tons are given. So having these the data, we have to find the regression equation, and let the rainfall be x, and let yield be y. So rainfall x ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ x, and yield variable y ಆಗಿರಲಿ. So we have to find the regression equation on y on x, and here uh, in the first column we have to take the given series or variable x, and in the for this first column x, variable x, we have to find the difference of all given the values of x series by using arithmetic, by using assumed mean or assumed value. So dx is equal to x minus a. X means given values minus from assumed value. Difference is to be made from assumed value. Now here assumed value 5 is taken as assumed value. Now take the difference of all the given values. 1 minus 5 minus 4, 2 minus 5 minus 3, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 4 minus 5 minus 1, 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 5 plus 1, 7 minus 5 plus 2, 8 minus 5 plus 3, and 9 minus 5 plus 4. Now make the square of dx square. dx ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. minus 4 whole square means minus into minus plus 4 4 is 16. minus 3 whole square means minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9. minus 2 whole square means what, 4. minus 1 whole square plus 1 0. 1 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. Now similarly we have to find difference of y series, and now take given y series in the fourth column, uh, and to that y series we have to make the difference of all the given values of y variable. Y minus a is equal to dy. So here also 5 is taken as a assumed value. 1 minus 5 minus 4, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 2 minus 5 minus 3, 5 minus 5 0, again 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 5 plus 2, 6 minus 5 plus 1, 9 minus 5 plus 4, 8 minus 5 plus 3. Now make the square of dy square. Minus 4 into minus 4 minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. minus 2 whole square means 4. minus 3 whole square plus 9, 0 0 plus 2 whole square 4 plus 1 1, 4 whole square 16, 3 square 9. Now the multiplication of dx and dy. dx into dy is equal to dx dy. minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6, minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6, minus 1 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, plus 1 into plus 2 plus 2, plus 2 into plus 1 plus 2, plus 3 into plus 4, 3 4s are 12, and 4 into 3 12. Now so after preparing the table, we have to find the sum of dx dy. Sigma dx dy is equal to plus 15. Sigma dy square equals 59, plus sigma dy plus 1, minus 9 plus 10, difference will be plus 1, and y, sigma y is equal to 46, sigma dx square plus means 60, and then sigma x is equal to 45. Now x bar equals sigma x by 9, means arithmetic mean for y, and x and y are to be calculated here. Arithmetic mean for y x series, x bar is equal to sigma x by n. 45 by 9 is equal to 5 inches, and y bar equals sigma y by n is equal to 46 by 9 is equal to 5.11 inches. Now apply the formula regression equations, y on x. So here y on x is to be found out. So a regression equation y on x is to be calculated or found out by applying the formula y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. So y minus y bar is equal to byx, can be written as n into sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy by n into sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square into x minus x bar, because here assumed value is to be taken to take the difference of all the given values of x and y series. That's why this formula is to be applied. Y minus y bar means 5.11 is equal to 9 number of items or observations, 9 into sigma dx dy 56 minus sigma dx 0 into sigma dy 1 divided by n 9 into sigma dx square 60 minus sigma dx square 0 whole square into x minus x bar. X bar the value 5. Now y minus 5.11 is equal to 9 into 56, 504, minus 0 will be the same 504 divided by 9 into 60, 540, minus 0 means the same 540 into x minus 5. Now y minus 5.11 is equal to 504 by 540 equals 0.933 into x minus 5. Now y minus 5.11 is equal to 0.933 into x, 0.933x plus into minus minus 0.933 into 5, 4.665. Now y equals 0.933x minus 4.66 plus 5.11. The minus the value will become plus value, because by transposing LHS into the y RHS, so that value will become plus 5.11. Now y minus 0.933x minus 4.665 plus 5.11 means difference will be plus 0.443. This is what regression equation y on x. Similarly, we can calculate regression equation x on y by using a formula x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar, and similarly bxy can be calculated, can be written as n into sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy divided by n into sigma dx dy square minus sigma dy whole square into y minus y bar. So this is the way in which we can calculate regression. We can find a regression equation x on y by applying this type of formula, and we can we can find regression equation x on y, and we can predict the value of predict the value of y yield for 10 inches rainfall. So here yield 10 inches rainfall is given, means x, the variable x, the value of x is given. Then we can find the value of yield. So y value can be calculated when x is given. We can find the value of x y. When y is given, then we can find x. Now another problem you take here, the following data relates to the age of husbands and age of wives, and obtain two regression equations. Determine the most likely age of husband for the age of 25 years, and most likely age of wife for the age of husband 40 years. So from the age of husband in years and age of wives in years are given, and with this data we can find two regression equations, x on y and y on x. And here let the age of husband be x, and age of wives be y. So therefore the when we can predict the most likely age of husband, means x, when y is age of y is given 25 years. And also we can predict the most likely age of wife for the age of x, husband x 40 years are given. So therefore we can predict the value of x when y is given, and we can and the value of, and we can also predict the value of y when x is given. Now let the age of husband be x, and let the age of wife be y. And first we have to calculate both the regression equations, x on y and y on x. And when two columns are given, that is x and y, we can prepare another five columns. They are x, x minus x bar is equal to x, then x square, y minus y bar is equal to y, y square, and x y. And here actual means or not a whole values or decimal points, then we can use the formula taking deviations from assumed mean or assumed value, like d x minus x minus a is equal to dx, dx square, y minus a is equal to d, dy square, and finally dx into dy is equal to dx dy. And here actual values are the whole values, means actual mean. Then we can use the formula by taking deviations from actual mean. Therefore x bar is equal to sigma x by n. Sigma x is equal to 360 by 10, number of items or observations 10. Therefore x bar is equal to 36 years, and y bar is equal to sigma y by n equals 290 by 10 is equal to 29 years. So therefore here we got x bar and arithmetic mean for x and y. Now regression equation x on y by taking deviations from actual mean or arithmetic mean. So x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. When regression equation y on x is to be written as y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. Now the table we have to prepare here. X the given value first column ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. then x minus x bar is equal to again x ಇಂದ ನಾವು represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. so ಇಲ್ಲಿ x bar means the value of x bar 36, then 25 minus x bar 36 is equal to minus 11, 28 minus 36 minus 8, 30. X minus x bar 36 minus 6, 32 minus 36 minus 4, 35 minus 36 minus 1, 36 minus 36 0, 38 minus 36 plus 2, 39 minus 36 plus 3, 42 minus 36 plus 6, then 55 minus 36 plus 19. Now take the square of x na x square ಮಾಡಿ minus 11 whole square, minus 11 into minus 11 121, minus 8 whole square 64, minus 6 whole square 36, minus 4 whole square 16, minus 1 whole square plus 1, so like that. Now take the variable x in the next column, y the data, and for that the series y we have to take the difference of all the values by using y bar. Y minus y bar is equal to y. So here y bar, the value of y bar is equal to 29. Now y minus y bar, 20 minus 29 minus 9, 26 minus 29 minus 3, 29 minus 29 is 0, 30 minus y bar 29 plus 1, 25 minus 29 minus 4, 18 minus 29 minus 11, 26 minus 29 minus 3, 35 minus 29 plus 6, so like that. Then take the square of y square, minus 9 whole square 81, minus 3 whole square plus 9, 0 0 plus 1 whole square plus 1, minus 4 whole square 16, minus 11 whole square means 121, so like that. So finally we have to find the product of x and y, deviated x and y, the value. And here minus 11 into minus 9, minus 90 minus into minus plus 11 into 9 99, minus 8 into minus 3, minus into minus plus 8 3s are 24, minus 6 into 0 0, minus 4 into plus 1 minus 4, minus 1 into minus 4, minus into minus plus 1 4s are 4, 0 into minus 11 0, plus 2 into minus 3, plus into minus minus 2 3s are 6, so like that we have to find the product of x and deviated x and y. Now take the sum of, now find sum of sigma xy. Sigma xy is equal to, so separately we have to add the positive plus value and minus value, then plus 504 minus 10 plus 494, sigma y square 598, sigma y 290, sigma x square 648, and sigma x is equal to 360 for calculating x bar and y bar. Now regression equation x on y is given as is explained as x minus x bar is equal to sigma x y by sigma y square into y minus y bar, when arithmetic mean or actual mean is used to take the differences, then we have to apply the formula x minus x bar equals sigma xy by sigma y square into y minus y bar. Now x minus x bar 36 is equal to sigma xy 494 divided by sigma y square 598 into y minus y bar 29. Now x minus 36 is equal to 498 divided by 598, that gives us 0.8260 into y minus 29. So x minus 36 is equal to 0.8260 into y, 0.8260 y plus into minus minus 0.8260 into 29 minus uh, 23.954. Now x is equal to 0.8260 y minus 23.954 when minus 36 becomes it becomes plus 36, because by transposing all it means LHS will become RHS. So when converting by transposing, that becomes plus 36. Now x is equal to 0.8260y minus and plus the difference will be plus 12.046. Now this is what regression equation x on y is equal to 0.8260y plus 12.046. Now regression equation y on x. So regression equation y on x can be written as y minus y bar equals byx into x minus x bar when actual mean is used. Then y minus y bar is equal to byx can be written as sigma xy by sigma x square into x minus x bar. Now y minus the value of y bar is 29 is equal to sigma xy 494 divided by sigma x square 648 into x minus 36. Now y minus 29 is equal to 494 divided by 648 is 0.762 into x minus 36. Y minus 29 is equal to 0.762 into x, 0.762 x plus into minus 0.762 into 36, 27.432. Now y is equal to 0.762 x minus 27.432, and minus 29 will become plus 29 because by transposing. Now y is equal to uh, 7 0.762 x minus 29 minus 27.432 plus 29, the difference will be 1.568. This is what regression equation y on x. Now estimations x on regression equation x on y, then regression the equation will be x is equal to 0.826y plus 12.046. So here y value is given, then we can get the x value. So x is equal to 0.826 into 25 plus 12.04 x 6. Then x is equal to 0.826 into 25 20.65 plus 12.046. Therefore x is equal to 32.696 years or 33 years. This is what when the age of wife means y is given, then we can find the age of husband, the value of x. Similarly, the most likely age of husband is 33 years when age of wife is 25 years. Then similarly we can find out or we can predict the value of x when value of when 32 when the value of x the value of y, the most likely age of husband is 33 years means y is given. Then when means age of husband is 33 when age of wife is 25 years, so already calculated. Similarly we can predict the value of y when the value of x is 40. This can be done by using regression equation y on x. Y is equal to 0.762 x plus 1.568, y is equal to 0.762 into the value of x. age of husband 40 plus 1.568, then y is equal to 30.48 plus 1.568. Therefore y is equal to 32.048 years or 32 years. Therefore the most likely age of wife is 32 years when age of husband is 40 years. So this is the way in which we can find regression equations x on y and regression equation y on x, and we can also predict the values when x is given, uh, the value of y, and when the value of y is given, then we get the value of x.